Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive on Android. First, open the Drive Sync app on your Android phone. If you have not connected your Google account yet, sign in and select the Google account you want to use for syncing your files. Once you are inside the app, go to the Synced Folders section. Here, tap on Add Folder to create a new sync connection between Google Drive and your phone storage. Now select the folder from your Google Drive that you want to use for your Obsidian Vault. You can choose an existing folder or create a new one directly in Google Drive. After selecting the Google Drive folder, the app will ask you to choose a folder from your internal storage. Here you can either select an existing folder or create a brand new folder, and name it Obsidian or any name you prefer. Once the local folder is selected, look for the sync method option and set it to two-way sync. This is important because it allows changes made in Obsidian or Google Drive to stay updated on both sides automatically. After that, tap Save and let Drive Sync complete the first sync. Now open the Obsidian app. On the home page, choose the option called Sync an Existing Vault. After that, select on this device. Obsidian will now ask you to select a folder. Choose the same folder you created and synced using Drive Sync. Confirm your selection and wait for the vault to load. At this point, Obsidian and Google Drive are connected to each other, and your notes will sync between both platforms automatically. Thanks for watching.